Are y'all like me, friends? Are you just pure shocked that another year has ticked away? It's crazy. And we're getting ready for 2024. You know, I graduated from high school in 1965. And to think even about the year 2000 was like crazy. 2000, what? No, no. And now we're looking at 2024. And I thank God every day that I'm still here to do the things that I love doing, being with family, cooking, going to the restaurants. I'm thankful for every bit of it. So, I was telling y'all earlier in the Christmas uh, video that the new year is creeping up on us, but I do not do resolutions. I just don't do them. I tried it. For quite a few years, I think. But I found that it just set me up for failure. Because if I didn't accomplish what I wanted to accomplish, then I was a loser. And I don't want to have that feeling. So now I say, I'm going to try. I'm going to try to work on this and be better at that. Or I'm going to try to change this about me. Or I'm going to try to change this about Michael. Too bad. That sounds so easy, doesn't it? But, we can't change people. We cannot change people. They are the person that we fell in love with. But don't go in there thinking you're going to change them, because you're not. And I remember my mother, because at 18, I told him, I said, I'm going to get married. I'm going to get married. I was so in love with my children's father. And I thought he was the prettiest thing I'd ever seen. And I remember my mama coming into my bedroom and sitting next to me. We were sitting side by side on the edge of the bed. And she said, Paula, honey, I just want to say a few things to you. I want you to be sure of the step that you're fixing to make. And I want you to realize going into this marriage, if there is something that you don't like about the one you've chosen, you never can change that, because that's who they are. And I didn't realize what an important message that was coming from my mother. But she was so right. So you can't change people. So hopefully the person you're with is everything you ever wanted them to be. And I hope this new year brings you, I love peace and contentment. I like harmony. I don't like a bunch of jabbering and gibbering and ugly going on. I just don't like it. I don't care for it. I want everybody to be happy. And that includes y'all. Y'all are kind of on the top of my list for sending out happy thoughts and more love and best dishes in the year 2024. And I just look forward to eating some more good food in 2024, and hope all my grandchildren will learn to eat vegetables and like them. Happy New Year, y'all. Love and best dishes. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.